Alright, let's settle the score. NK cells versus stem cells. Who's the real superhero in the fight against cancer? When it comes to treating cancer, it's not just about fixing broken cells. The real culprit is the neighborhood, the tumor microenvironment, or what scientists call the tumor niche. Imagine a bad part of town. Even if you fix one house, the whole block still needs cleaning up. So here's the game plan. Step 1. Send in the heavy hitters. Natural killer cells, or NK cells. Think of these as elite special forces, codenamed EvoNK. Unlike other immune cells, NK cells don't wait for orders. They spot rogue cancer cells, pounce, and eliminate them instantly. No need for backup from T cells or anyone else. It's fast, it's direct, and it's exactly what you want when you're dealing with cancer's worst. Step 2. After you've cleared out most of the bad guys, it's time to mess up their hideout, the tumor microenvironment. That's where exosomes, or EvoNK, come in. These are like molecular messengers that disrupt the very signals and support structures that let cancer thrive. By breaking down this environment, you're making sure cancer has nowhere safe to grow back. Now, you might be wondering, but what about stem cells? Don't they heal damaged tissue? Absolutely. But here's the catch. If you bring stem cells in too early, while the tumor's environment is still active, they can't do their job right. In fact, you might end up helping the enemy. That's why stem cells, or EvoStem, are saved for the final stage, after the battlefield is cleared and the neighborhood is safe. Only then can they rebuild healthy tissue where cancer once was. So, to sum it up, in diseases like dementia or stroke, you might use stem cells earlier to regenerate tissue. But in cancer, it's a totally different ballgame. First, you need NK cells to attack the cancer and break down its home turf. Only after that do you cautiously bring in stem cells for repair. That's the essence of the niche-based therapy model, and why NK cells always take the first shot in the cancer treatment showdown. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more straight talk on cutting-edge science.